Good afternoon. Ngayon po ay February 18, 2024 Sunday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 p.m. draws ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto, 2 p.m. result ngayong February 18, 2024 Sunday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero ang lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 2 p.m. 3D Lotto 2 p.m. result ngayong Sunday, February 18, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 2 p.m. 'See you again later' for 5 p.m. result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for February 18, 2024, Sunday. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Super Lotto 649 is 15.8 million pesos and Ultra Lotto 658 estimated jackpot price is 136.5 million pesos for Sunday, February 18, 2024. Thank you for watching this 2 p.m. video for afternoon of February 18, 2024, Sunday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.